Okay, this is going to also be another relatively short one. If you can do the dragon head, the next thing that you can try is the dragon hug. So with the dragon hug, it's like a dragon head where you basically just lift your arms up. But what you're doing now is you're crossing your hands over so that when you lift up, you get that hugging motion, right? So let's say if we start from going right to left, dragon roll. What you want to do with the cross is when you land back in front on your right, you want to start beginning the cross so that when you turn to the left side, your hands are already crossed. And then when you throw, it goes behind you, and it's going to be like the dragon head, very important for you to have that twist in your body to get the rope to move. Now, because you can't rely on your hands to give you that additional kind of swing, right? So you have to use your body to swing the rope back. So I'll show you again. From the front, I start the cross, and then over here, I'm crossed on the left side. So right, cross, bring it over. Right, cross, bring it over. Make sure that you're moving and twisting your body, bending your knees. I found it really helps to go down a bit lower to get that bounce, so that when I want to throw it back forward, I can just pop my knees up like that, and it's easier for it to come back over to the front. And if you need some practice without the rope, for the dragon hug, what you do is palm down on the right side, and then as I'm turning to the left side, I'm starting to cross my hands. It doesn't matter which one is crossing over which way, or below, under, or whether it's the right hand coming over the left or the left hand coming over to the right, doesn't matter as much. So palm down on the right, start to cross, and then right now what I like to do is bring it, as I'm throwing it to the back, bring your hands up, then you have kind of your palm facing you, and then you start to turn back to the right, so that's the rope's going to now swing to your left, and then you bring it forward, and then you start to uncoil your hands, right? So again, it's going to look like this. Palm down, start to cross, back, forward again, uncoil, back, uncoil, back, uncoil. As you improve with your dragon hug, there are actually a few variations of it as well. So this is the dragon hug high, and then you want to try to bring it lower with your arms across. The lower you have your arms, the more important it is to have good form with both your twist and your turning of your body. So again, this is more of the high over my shoulders, right? The mid is kind of closer towards like my elbows. And then you have low, which is more closer to your hips. So I'm still really working on getting it low myself.